of life. Right in the horizon where worlds collide. Our story is the greatest one I'll ever write. You and I, our lives intertwined.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. It's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans. Inside these pages you just hold. Inside these pages you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.